Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with an Apple Watch SE right here. I've got the 44mm cellular version with the special Nike edition. So right now I'm going to unbox the Apple Watch Nike edition. So I'm using this pull tab offered by Apple. Oh, okay. So yeah, here it is. I'm going to open these tabs for you. For entertainment purposes only. Oh wow, they've shown us a few other combinations that we can make with the Apple Watch and the different kinds of bands that Apple sells. So this is the space gray version that I've got of the Apple Watch itself. And here we have the Nike anthracite band. I'm so happy I got this Nike Apple Watch. So you could read if you want. Oh yeah, there's some writing behind the Apple Watch itself. So this is the 2020 version. This is the first ever Apple Watch SE designed and made by Apple. Actually, designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. If it was in focus. There we go. Designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. So Nike has collabed with Apple over here and designed the Apple Watch SE or the Series 6 with this special Nike edition of this Apple Watch. So let's put the paperwork aside and open the Apple Watch itself. So it comes in this paper covering. It's kind of satisfying. It's actually nice. So here behind we have a sapphire glass with a few sensors, not as improved as the blood oxygen or the ECG sensor found on the Series 6 Apple Watch, but this would serve my purpose, as I found out that those are just gimmicks. So here I'm going to power on the Apple Watch itself. This is the 44mm. So while this switches on for a few seconds, let's put this aside while it's in your view. And let's check in what else we get in the box. So here we get the magnetic charger. Okay, so that is it. So now we're going to unbox the anthracite Nike edition Apple Watch band. So here we're going to pull this pull tab. And that's how simple it is. So here on the side also it has some detail. It says anthracite black Nike sport band. So now let me push my nail in there and pull out the sport band. On the box it was black in color, and here we have the white with the black writing. And we have few instructions how do we use the Apple Watch band. So let me remove the bottom part. So these are silicone bands. This is a medium size. I will try on first. It's pretty solid. It has some plastic in it. Oh, for that stainless steel black band. The black part. So that it doesn't get scratched. Apple does satisfy the customers. So I'm going to attach the bottom part of the Apple Watch band. This is the Nike anthracite band, as you must have seen in the unboxing. So you see that small detail of the Nike logo and the Apple Watch written there. Also it has a small slight click. Now I'm going to attach the medium size Nike band. Okay, so I've put the Nike bands on this, the anthracite one.